Kicks YouTube channel out in East LA. Let's look around. Did come to the back immediately. Jordan 3, the green glows right here. Be able to get these 30% off. That is a size 10. That's pretty dope. AJKO's 120. All right, we're gonna go back there. Pretty much the same stuff that I saw last week. So we're gonna go hit up Foot Locker real quick, and we'll be back. We'll be back. One of the guys earlier, he had a cart. So I'm hoping not everything is gone. All right, I did peruse. I didn't see anything crazy, nothing crazy new. The Under Armours that I did get for my kiddo, those are gone. Those are gone, $35, those are gone. But do got some dad shoes right here, some Adidas Response, $30 for these right here. Reebok Classic Leathers going for $30 each. Club C's going for $30 right here. This is a clean colorway, $30 for these. These are freaking clean. And then got, what are these? Never seen these before. Some Slipstream trainers. I had to look at the tag right here, but yeah, these are the mellow colorway. Okay, $30 for those. That's just been given away. Still got these right here going for $20 after the savings. Chucks, man, rarely ever see them for this cheap. Holy God, that's normally 85 down to 20 bucks. Remember, everything is 50% off. The only exception, Dunks and Jordans. Dunks and Jordan Retros, I believe. But yeah, man, got these Converse basketball shoes going for $30. These are going for $40 right here. So you do got some Dunks, but these are going for the sale price, which is still pretty decent. And then Mellows, the MB ones right here, down to 40 bucks. Cheaper than freaking, what's it called? It's cheaper than Ross and Marshalls and stuff. Reebok Workouts right here. Workout Plus down to $30. Then got some Forums going for $40. I've never even seen this colorway going for $40. And then got these Rivalries right here. Okay, all right. NMDs going for $50 as well as these. This is just a bigger size though. Yeah, bigger size, 11.5. Probably the only size they have left. Comforts right here. They said no Jordan, so I don't know. I think that's Jordan Retros. I don't know. Someone told me they got the AJKOs for 50% off. So I think it's just Retros, but definitely ask about that when you get here. Got Question Pumps down to $60, multiple colorways. GT Cuts right here. GT Cut 2s for $65. Really can't beat that. LeBrons. These are $160, so $80 for LeBrons. Kind of crazy. All right, I had to get on the sneakers pass for the Kobe's. I'm trying to help one of my boys get a pair. I'm not even trying to get one for my own. All right, let's look around. Wait, I was walking over here. Remember, that's what I was doing. So they do have several sizes of these. Still the bigger sizes, 11.5, 12, 13s. Got the Question Pumps in so many sizes. Got them right here. Yeah, got plenty. The Question Mids in the blue. They only have a size 8 right here. Shack Attacks, 8.5 and below. These are going for $40. 80 bucks plus another 50% off. And then Classic Leathers go for $70. You get 30, so $35. Got a couple of the other Question Mids right here. I think these are the Dapper Dans. You have Dapper Dans. We saw these last week, seeing them again. Dapper Dan is an influencer, I think, right? Yeah, always wearing some clean suits and stuff. But yeah, I got 8.5, 9s, Trae Young 2s. These are down to $40. NMDs. Did I show these earlier? I think I did. But yeah, these are down to $100, so $50 after the savings. They got a few sizes. Then the Converse. Got some Pumas right here and stuff. Okay. Crocs going for 50% off. That is pretty dope. Look at this, $10? $10 for these Crocs. You can always take those flowers and stuff off, but $10, this is size 13 though, man. That's freaking huge. The McDonald's ones, 50% off for the McDonald's ones. That's kind of crazy. It is the bigger sizes though, I think. Size 11 and 12 and 13. Yeah, 12 and 13. Got these right here. What's this, a Levi's one? Yeah, Levi's version. I didn't even know they made a Levi's version. But they got these right here. And yeah, these are down to 50, so 25 for those bad boys. Got some Valentine's ones going for 15 bucks. If you forgot to get your girl a Valentine's thing, just grab one of those. Hey, I forgot to give this to you. Pull some game or something like that. That's funny. But yeah, 45 for these bigger sizes, and then these just 50% off. So pretty dope to see. Crocs on sale. You can get Locker brand socks right here, 50% off. So $15, 50% off. All this stuff. They got all kinds of socks. Nike everyday socks, 50% off. That's not bad. That's not bad. Hats for $10. 10 freaking dollars. Dodger hats right here. You got tacos right there. Championship logo right there. Championship. What is that? Patch right there. All these go for 50% off, but got Jordan ones for 10. Also have an Angels one right here. Anaheim Angels, right? We don't call them LA Angels, do we? And then also got these right here, the Braves, going for freaking $20. These are pro standards, and these are snapbacks. The two up here, I believe, they're all, oh my bad, all of them. All three of the ones I showed you, all pro standard snapbacks. Oh, got Bears hats on sale for 20. These are fitted hats, or this one's a fitted hat, and then got, who's this? Oh, I thought this was like Shotani. I was like, they got a Shotani hat already? No, they got Braves hats for $10. This is a fitted as well. And Lakers ones right here for 10 bucks. I would just ask them about everything. Did they all seem like they're on sale? White cement right here, $10. These are pro standard snapbacks. And got some bucket hats right here. Culture is at its finest. And the YG hats right here go for 10 bucks. Checking out the women's section. Ultra Boost 50% off. Hoka's 50% off. Gold bullets or golden bullets 50 off of 190. Then got really good sales right here, 75 for those. These NMDs right here go for 75. Another Vapor Max right here in the women's going for 80 or 85. Dewey 2s going for what, 45 for those. Hirachis 45. Got some UGG sandal slides going for 30. All kinds of Chucks for women going for just ridiculous prices. That was way more at the Champs outlet, which is interesting. And this Steelers jacket, pro standard Steelers jacket, pretty fire, 70. So 35 for this. They got a medium. What is this one right here? That is a large. These two are fire. Holy cow. And then they got Steelers hoodie right here, 50% off. All their t-shirts, all their apparel, pretty freaking cheap. Okay. Back at Nike, let's see how long it takes for them to tell me no video. But yeah, man, size 9, do got a few of these. 160 for the Jordan 7. These are white infrareds. All right, pretty quick, man, because they already told me I can't take video, and I told y'all, man, they be tripping. Worker was nice about it, but you know, it is what it is. So yeah, they did have some dope, what are they, the Jordan 38s. They did have those. They had a refurb, 100 bucks, so that comes out to 70. Really can't go wrong with that. They also had some social status. They had social status dunk mids, which is kind of crazy. So I ain't seen those anywhere to be able to get those for 30% off. It's size 8 or something like that. I would have thrown those on a YouTube short, but I can't take video, so it is what it is. But yeah, those were kind of dope. And then Tech Fleece. They had Tech Fleece for the jackets. The Tech Fleece jackets, they were what, $73. They do have refurb clothing, and that was what, $73. So 30% off. That's probably the cheapest we've seen those, right? Because that gets it close to 50 bucks. So that's kind of a great deal. But yeah, that's pretty much. But I hope I got enough. I'll probably add the Ross video onto that one. We're out in East LA right before the East LA Nike Community Center and the Foot Locker open. We're finding Nike shirts going for $15. JD, I haven't seen that in a while. Reebok shirts going for $10. The apparel section, not really finding much. They got a blank football jersey right here, down to $18. Normally $80. Then we move into the sneakers real quick. If we'll come down though. $35 for some Reebok dad shoes right here. Always finding Crocs, some colorful Crocs going for 25. All right, they really don't have nothing in the small sizes. Bigger size right here, 11 and a half. Got some Puma sprinting cleats going for 30. Project Rock right here, like a size, what's that, size 12 or something? Oh, it's a size 10. Size 10 go for, I think, $90, $89.99. Damn, that's high. Football cleats right here. These Adidas go for 25. Size 12. Got some Snoop Dogs up here. Or Snoop Lion. Didn't he change it to Snoop Lion? Did he change it back technically or officially? I don't know. 35 for these. These are a size 12. Skechers Snoop Dogs, man. Got his face right there and everything. Okay. And then we do have some Mellows right here. The MB2s. Lately, Ross has been pretty much a Puma outlet lately. Got some pretty legit football cleats right here. These football cleats? These baseball cleats, I don't know. But they are called the Lockdowns, Under Armour. $49. Damn, Ross raising price like I'm off lately, man. What the hell, $20 for these? These are not, they're not the one with the memory foam on it. More MB2s right here. These don't look too big, like a size 11 or something, going for $50. Got some Nitros. I don't know which shoes these are, but do got some Puma with the Nitro midsole right there. Size 11, go for 40. Got some Currys. These are huge though. These are what, size 15 plus. Size 18, go for 55. And then yeah, these are a little bit big too. I kind of want one of these for my kiddo. Kiddo wants one of these. These are size 11 and a half down to 37. This is the Ferrari Cat Drift. It's a Puma F1 shoe right there. And of course, more and more of these. These are what, size 13 or something. Mellow 2s, $50. Last thing in the men's section right here, dude got some size 13 Crocs going for 25. Oh wait, I missed this one. You got a single Pegasus Next Natures or Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. No price tag. These been going for like what, 55 or something, but just a single shoe. They got all the Spam flavors right here. The OG Spam. All the other ones are kind of whatever, dude. I've tried a few of them. Dude got Nerf Odd Socks right here. These are going for $5. Normally 15. Got Captain Crunch ones down there. What the hell this one is? Some cactuses. I got some Puma soccer balls right here, going for $11. Got baseball gloves right here, Nike baseball gloves, going for $8. Normally 25. And batting gloves, but nothing else, huh? And then checking the women's 10 and a half right here. This is a men's Snoop right here. Damn, that's it. Literally nothing else to show you guys. All right, to the next spot. I'm gonna hit up Nike, then hit up some other spots for y'all. Ended up getting here way earlier. You never know with LA traffic. 15 minutes early. I don't see anybody in line. Nobody in line at East LA. Few minutes before, got a few people waiting out front of the Foot Locker outlet. Also got one person waiting out front in front of Nike outlet East LA. Gotta be here early, man. That's what I've been telling y'all. At least 10, 12 people in line already? Holy cow. They're opening late. That's pretty much about it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. I think this was a short video anyways, but it is what it is. But yeah, I got plenty videos coming. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. Yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we got plenty coming, guys. See you guys next one. Peace.